Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive 30% off coupon code for Nodemaven. Plus, I'll share some other great promo codes you can use to save even more. If you're in need of high-quality proxies for your projects, Nodemaven is one of the best options out there. Let's dive into why Nodemaven is so great and how you can score these awesome discounts. First off, let's talk about what makes Nodemaven stand out from the competition. Nodemaven provides top-tier residential proxies that offer you the ultimate anonymity and security when browsing the web. Whether you need proxies for web scraping, account management, ad verification, or anything in between, Nodemaven has you covered. Their proxies are sourced from real residential IPs, which makes them less likely to be blocked or flagged compared to data center proxies. One of the major features of Nodemaven is their vast global proxy pool. With over millions of residential IPs from all around the world, you can easily rotate between different locations, ensuring you get the most accurate data from different regions. Another key feature is the reliability and speed of their proxies. Nodemaven ensures that their proxies are fast, stable, and highly reliable for long sessions. Their service offers flexible connection speeds, allowing you to choose the right speed for your needs, whether it's for simple browsing or more intensive tasks like scraping large amounts of data. They also provide advanced features like session control, automatic IP rotation, and sticky sessions, all of which help you maintain consistent and uninterrupted access to the web. Now let's talk about pricing. Nodemaven offers a range of plans designed to suit both beginners and advanced users, but here's the best part. They often have promo codes available to help you save big. So how do you get those discounts? Well, there are a few special Nodemaven coupon codes you can use right now to save up to 50% off on your purchase. Let's go over the Nodemaven coupon code, SA2. This code will get you plus 2 GB when purchasing any package. So, if you need more bandwidth or higher usage, this is a great way to get extra value. SA50. This code will give you 50% off your purchase. So don't wait too long to grab this deal. SA30. This is the code for 30% off, and the best part is it works indefinitely. But just a heads up, Nodemaven will be monitoring for any abuse, so make sure to use it responsibly. All you need to do is sign up using the link below the video, then copy one of these codes, head over to the Nodemaven checkout page, and paste the code in the coupon field to apply your discount. You'll see the discount reflected right away. But please note, this discount can be valid only if you are signed up using our offer link. Once you've applied your code and received your discount, you're all set to get started with Nodemaven's amazing proxy services. Whether you're scraping websites, managing multiple accounts, or handling complex data tasks, these proxies are some of the best in the industry, and these discounts make it even easier to get started. I hope this video helped you learn how to get these awesome Nodemaven discounts. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future deals or tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing and happy savings.